So guys, we're fixing the groceries. Yeah. Go. And then we can all see that food. And get the noodles from. I'm going to open for the whole day. Hey, look, we got to see the milk. Yeah, value.
You get the box na then put it.
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That one is on the fridge. It's on.
What is this? Why there's so many ants here? Hey yo, why there's so many ants?
They are eating na kasi hindi nyo inaayos. Put na inside the box.
I make a video. You fast. I need to make a bed.
Give na to Kuya Yael. You're not helping na Ichan. Mahulog na yan.
Don't put it here now because walang space na.
Dari Bisco, you put it there. Dari